Morning to all. Good morning, students. Today we discuss about lac culture. Phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, family Laxiferidae, genus Laxifer, species Laca. The lac insect systematic position of Laxifer Laca. It's clear. Lac culture in India is most commonly cultivated species Caria laca and Laxifer laca. The insect Laxifer laca, living off the sap of certain trees, secretes lac resin. The produced resin is called shellac and has numerous industrial applications including in the food and drug industries. India is the major producer of shellac. Thousands of lac insect colonies the branches of the host trees and secrete the resinous pigment. The coated branches of the host trees are cut and harvested as stick lac. The harvested stick lac is crushed and sieved to remove impurities. The sieved material is then repeatedly washed to remove the insect part and other soluble material. The resulting product is known as seed lac. The prefix and seed refers to its pellet shape. Seed lac, which still contain 3 to 5% impurities, is processed into shellac by heat treatment or solvent extraction. It's clear. Of lac insect. The female insect is viviparous, producing about 1000 nymphs, deep red in color with black eyes, soft body, 0.6 mm long, 3 pair of leg and a pair of antenna. The larvae settle down on a suitable place of the host plant. A day or two after settlement, the larvae start secreting lac all around the body except on the rostrum, spiragle and top of the abdomen, with gradually increase in size along with the increase in size of insect. It's clear. Currently produced in India, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam and China. India is still being regarded as the principal lac producing country of the world. India produces about 65% of the world total output. Jharkhand and Chandigarh for 40% of India's total production of lac. Inoculation of lac insect. The process by which lac insect are introduced to the new host plant is called inoculation or infection. This may be of two types: natural inoculation and artificial inoculation. First of all, natural inoculation occur by natural movement of swarming larvae from one place to other. Then artificial inoculation, lac insect are introduced to new host plant in a planned and scientific manner by the cultivators. About 2 weeks before swarming, the lac bearing sticks are out into pieces and kept for 2 weeks in cool place. When the larva starts emerging, the sticks are tied with the help of stinging to the branches of new host plant. The stick of brood lac may be tied in 3 ways. It's clear. All of you, we see lac culture host plants for Pallas scutum per. Composition of lac. Lac is reddish, brittle, solid, rich in resin, 68 to 90%. Wax, minerals, sugar, dye, water are also present in small amount. The quality and color of lac depends on gum and resin present in host plant. Lac is insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol. It's clear. Uses of lac. Used in preparation of varnish, paint, toys, bangles, gramophone records and buttons. Consumed as sealing agents. Used in the preparation of electrical goods. Lac is used on insulating agents. Also used for silvering the back of mirror and filling ornaments. Nail polish and dyes are the byproducts of lac industries. Thank you, students.